you're not quite sure what you should be putting in that description box, below this video, in this video, I'm going to break every single thing down that you should be adding in there. And I'm going to tell you exactly what to put in there to not only get some more YouTube subscribers, but also drive some more leads to your business. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Trina. If you are new, and this channel is a place for business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators who want to grow their business organically with online video. Okay, you gotta hear this loud and clear. You can't skip filling out that description box on your YouTube video. This is such a great place for you to promote more video content, get more people to know about you and your business, and give YouTube more information about your video so they can recommend it to more of the right people. First, I want to tell you what should be in every single description box of every single video. So this is gonna be super easy for you to do because all you need to do is fill it out in your description box defaults. Once you put that in there, every single time you upload a video, this is already gonna be in there. So let me show you how to do that and what you should be adding into your description box defaults. The way to get to your defaults is coming up here. You want to go to your YouTube studio, and then you'll want to come over to settings right here. Then you're going to go right here to upload defaults. And this is where you can add that description box content that will be on every single video. Now, obviously, you don't need a default title because every title is going to be different, and you don't need a default summary because every summary is going to be different. What I do suggest is adding the subscribe button right here. And what you do to make it clickable so that they go directly to subscribe to your channel. So if we take this particular link and we pop it right in here, you see it's going to take them to a screen that asks them if they want to subscribe to your channel. So the way you do that is you're going to take your channel URL and then just add !sub_confirmation equals 1. And that makes that nice clickable link an easy way to get subscribers. So I add this in every single video. I also add my latest video, and the way I got this link was a TubeBuddy feature. I don't believe this is available anymore, but you could add like your most popular video here or the video that gets you the most subscribers or the most views, however you want to pick kind of the best video to feature here, because your goal is to get people to watch more content from you. Then I have a recommended video series that you should check out. And the way I'm adding these emojis is I'm on a Mac and I'm using Command Control Space, and so the emoji keyboard pops up. That's how I'm adding those. On down after the video series, I have my most watched videos included right here. Then I have my opt-in, and this is my lead magnet. This is how I get people on my list, and it sends them right to the landing page. Then I'm pitching my Instagram, which I might add a camera emoji right here so people know, oh yeah, this is Instagram, and that stands out. And then my video equipment, which I might add a camera here too, so that people can check out, okay, this is the camera she's using, the lighting. And those are all affiliate links, so when people do buy from that link, I get commission from Amazon. Then the next thing that I add is when to expect new videos every single week from me, and also what they will be about. And there was music that I was adding in all of my intros, so I credited the artist for that. And then I have this disclaimer specifically for affiliate links, which is critical. If you are going to have affiliate links in your description box, you do need a disclaimer. And then YouTube tips, this hashtag, every time I upload a video, my video is hashtag with YouTube tips. That's why you will see on my video if it has a hashtag, that's how you get those. You can add them in the description box. Once you have all of that added, I would also upload as a default in private. You can see there's public, unlisted, but I would immediately change this to private. Go ahead and save that, and you have description box defaults already done. All right, so that can be in every single one of your videos, so you can add that in your description box defaults. Now, for every video you do upload, you want to create an individual summary of that video for the top of the description box. This only needs to be about 5 to 7 sentences long, and that first sentence should really highlight or pitch why somebody should watch your video, because if they see it in search, that first line is going to show up in search. So this can grab more people's attention. If they see your thumbnail, they see your title, and they continue to look at what the description box says, remember that first sentence shows up in search. In that summary, you also want to make sure you're using those keywords or tags that you've used in that video, you want to make sure you reiterate that in your summary, just using it in conversational text. So however you would describe or summarize your video to a friend, incorporating those words into that summary. Now, if you want to make sure every single one of your videos and your channel as a whole is set up for success to drive you more views and more leads to your business, you want to make sure you grab my YouTube roadmap that's going to walk you through 15 pages of everything you can do to set up your YouTube channel right now for success. It's also going to link you to tutorials on how to do things like create your channel banner, update your about section, everything that you need to know. The link to grab that is going to be on your screen right now or down in the description box if you don't see that. Once you've grabbed that download, make sure you watch this video on your screen right now because I'm going to tell you my secret ways to promote my YouTube videos, 7 different ways that I promote my YouTube videos that you might not have thought about before. So click on that video on your screen right now and I'll see you over there.